In this video, I'll show you how to get access to Gemini in Chrome. There are two main ways to use Gemini in Chrome today. Google says you can use Gemini in Chrome directly in the browser, and you can also use the Gemini web app from Chrome by typing at Gemini in the address bar. Google's help pages also show that Gemini in Chrome is available on both desktop and Android, while some features, like the side panel experience and advanced browsing controls, are described for desktop Chrome. First, make sure you're signed into Chrome with the Google account you want to use. Then update Chrome to the latest version if needed, because Google's current Chrome help and community guidance indicate that Gemini access depends on supported versions and may not appear the same way on older builds. If you already see the Gemini icon in Chrome, click it to open Gemini in the browser. Now let's look at the easiest method on desktop. If Gemini in Chrome is available for your account, open Chrome and use the Gemini button or side panel. Google says that after you opt into Gemini in Chrome in the side panel, you can chat with Gemini about the page you're viewing, get summaries, clarify concepts, and even share tabs with it. It also says that when you start a new chat, your current tab can be shared by default. If you don't see the Gemini side panel, there's another official option. Google says you can open Chrome, type at Gemini in the address bar, press Tab or Space, enter your prompt, and press Enter. That redirects you to the Gemini web app in your browser, which is a simple way to start using Gemini even if the side panel is not showing yet. On Android, Google says you can also use Gemini in Chrome for help while browsing. The experience is designed to give AI assistance based on your current tab, similar to desktop, although some desktop-specific controls are not presented the same way on mobile. There's one more thing to know if you're using a work or school account. Google's official workspace help says some Gemini side panel features depend on whether your organization supports them. So if you're signed in with a managed account and the option is missing, your administrator may need to enable access. And if you want extra features, Google's Chrome pages say some newer capabilities, such as auto browse, are tied to specific Google AI subscription levels and availability, including rollout limits by plan and region. So the basic steps are simple. Sign into Chrome, update the browser, look for the Gemini icon or side panel, and if you don't see it, type at Gemini in the address bar to open the Gemini web app. That's how to get access to Gemini in Chrome. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.